আমার চ্যানেলে। আগের দিন তোমাদের আমি যে ইউপিএসসি প্রিলিমসের ফার্স্ট 50 কোয়েশ্চেনের সলভ করেছিলাম, আজকে তোমাদের 51 to 100 কোয়েশ্চেনের সলভ করাবো এই ভিডিওতে। তো প্রত্যেককে বলবো ভিডিওটি প্রথম থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখার জন্য, এবং দেখে ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই ভিডিওটি বন্ধুদের মধ্যে শেয়ার করে দেবেন, লাইক করবেন এবং অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবেন পরবর্তী বিভিন্ন এক্সামের সলভ দেখার জন্য। তো আসছি 51 থেকে। কনসিডার দ্য ফলোইং স্টেটমেন্টস। তো দ্য গভর্নর অফ দ্য রিজার্ভ ব্যাঙ্ক অফ ইন্ডিয়া অর্থাৎ আরবিআই ইজ অ্যাপয়েন্ট করা থেকে বাই দ্য সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট দ্বারা। নেক্সট, সার্টেন প্রভিশন ইন দ্য কনস্টিটিউশন অফ ইন্ডিয়া গিভ দ্য সেন্ট্রাল গভর্নমেন্ট the right to issue direction to the RBI in public interest. Next 3, the governor of the RBI draws his power from the RBI Act. So option D 1, 2 and 3 is the right answer. Next question 52. With reference to casual workers employed in India, consider the following statements. So all casual workers are entitled for regular working hours and overtime payments. The government can by a notification specify that an establishment or industry shall pay wages only through its bank account. So option B is the right. 2 and 3 only is the right answer. Next 53. Which among the following steps is most likely to be taken at the time of an economic recession? Increase in expenditure on public project. Option B is the right answer. Next 54. Consider the following statement. Other things remaining unchanged, market demand for a good might increase if the price of its complement increases, the good is an inferior good, and income of the consumer increases, its price fall. So option B 2, 3 and 4 is the right answer. Next question 55. With reference to Urban Cooperative Bank in India, consider following statement. So they can issue equity share and preference share. They were brought under the purview of the Banking Regulation Act 1949 through an amendment in 1966. So option B is the right answer. Next question 56. Indian government bond yields are influenced by which of the following? Action of the United States Federal Reserve, action of the Reserve Bank of India, inflation and short-term interest rate. Option D 1, 2 and 3 is the right answer. Next question 57. Consider the following. So foreign currency convertible bonds, foreign institutional investment with certain condition, global depository receipt. So option A is the right answer. Next question 58. Consider the following statements. So the effect of devaluation of a currency is that is necessary to have improves the trade balance. Option C is the right answer. Next 59. Which of the following effects of creation of black money in India has been the main cause of ORI to the government of India? So loss of revenue to the state exchequer due to tax evasion. Option D is the right answer. Next question 60. Which one of the following is likely to be the most inflationary and its effect? Creation of new money to finance a budget deficit. Option D is the right answer. Next 61. Which one of the following is used in preparing a natural mosquito repellent? Lemongrass. Option C is the right answer. Next 62. Consider following kinds of organism. Which of the following above are primary producer in the food chain of the ocean? So cyanobacteria and diatoms. Option 2 and 3 is the right answer. Next, consider the following animals. to reduce the chance of being captured by predator. Which of the above organism rolls up, roll up or protect its or their vulnerable parts? হবে hedgehog and pangolin. Option 1 and 3 is the right answer. Next question 64. With reference to the New York Declaration on Forest, which of the following statements are correct? It was first endorsed at the United Nations Climate Summit in 2014. It endorsed a global timeline to end the loss of forest. It is endorsed by government, big companies and indigenous communities. So option 1, 2 and 4 is the correct answer. Next question 65. Magnetite particle suspected to cause neurodegenerative problem are generated as environmental pollutant from which of the following? Brakes of motor vehicle, engines of motor vehicle, telephone lines. So option B is the right answer. 1, 2 and 4 only. Next 66. Which one of the following is a filter feeder? Oyster is a filter feeder. Option C is the right answer. Next 67. In case of which one of the following geochemical cycles, the weathering of rocks is the main source of release of nutrient to enter the cycle? Sulfur cycle. Option D is the right answer. Next, which of the following are detrivorous? So earthworm, millipedes and woodlice. 1, 3 and 5, these are detrivorous. Option. Next question 69. The common carbon metric supported by UNEP has been developed for accessing the carbon footprint of building operations around the world. Option A is the right answer. Next question 70. Which of the following have species that can establish symbiotic relationship with other organisms? Select the correct answer using the code given below. So Cnidarian, fungi and protozoa. Option 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer. All of the above. Next question 71. The money multiplier in an economy increases with which of the following? Increases in the banking habit of the people. Option C is the right answer. Next question 72. With reference to Indian economy, demand pull inflation can be caused or increased by which of the following? So expansionary policies, fiscal stimulus, higher purchasing power. Option 1, 2 and 4 is the right answer. Next question 73. With reference to India, consider the following statement. So retail investor through demat account can invest in treasury bill and government of India debt bond in primary market. The Central Deposit Service Limited is jointly promoted by the Reserve Bank of India and the Bombay Stock Exchange. So option 1 and 3 is the right answer. Next question 74. With reference to water credit, consider the following statements. It puts microfinance tools to work in the water and sanitation sector. It aims to enable the poor people to meet their water needs without depending on subsidies. So option C is the right answer. Next 75. In India, the central books function as the lender of the last resort, usually referred to which of the following? Providing liquidity to the banks having a temporary crisis, lending to governments to finance budgetary deficit. Option 2 and 3 is the right answer. Next 76. R2 code of practices constitutes a tool enabled for promoting the adoption of environmentally responsible practices in electronic recycle industry. Option is the right answer. Next আসছি 77. Why is there a concern about copper smelting plant? The copper slag can cause the leaching of some heavy metals into environment. They may release sulfur dioxide as a pollutant. Option 2 and 3 is the correct answer. Next 78. With reference to furnace oil, consider the following statement. It is a product of oil refinery. Some industries use it to generate power. Its use causes sulfur emissions into environment. Option 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer. Next 79. What is blue carbon? Carbon captured by ocean and coastal ecosystem. Option A is the right answer. Next 80. In the nature, which of the following are most likely to be found surviving on the surface without soil? The fern, moss and mushroom. Option 1, 2 and 3 is the correct. Next 81. With reference to the history of ancient India, Bhavabhuti, Hastimala and Kasimvara were famous playwrights. Option B. Consider the following statement. Which of the following statement given are correct? Montagu Chelmsford Reform of 1990 recommend granting voting rights to all the women above age 21. That is incorrect. Next, the government of India of 1935 gave women reserved seat in legislature. That is incorrect. So option is neither 1 nor 2. Next question, with reference to 18 August 1942 in Indian history, which of following statement is correct? The Quit India resolution was adopted by the AICC. Option is the right answer. Next question 84. Who among the following is associated with songs from prison, a translation of ancient Indian religious lyric in English? Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi অর্থাৎ MK Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. Next 85. With reference to medieval India, which one of the following is the correct sequence in ascending order in terms of size? Paragana, Sarkar, Subha. Option A is the right answer. Next question 86. Who among the following was associated as secretary with Hindu female school, which later came to be known as Bethune Female School? Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. Option C is the right answer. Next question 87. In the context of colonial India, Shah Nawaz Khan, Prem Kumar Sehgal and Gurbakh Singh Dhillon are remembered as officer of the Indian National Army. Option D is the right answer. Next question is 88. With reference to Indian history, which of the following statement correct? So Rohilkhand Kingdom was formed out of the territories occupied by Ahmad Shah Durrani. Option D. Only 3 is the right answer. Next 89. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. Ajanta caves lie in the gorge of Wagora river. So that is the right answer. Next question 90. Consider the following statement. So 21 February is declared to be the International Mother Language Day by UNESCO द्वारा. Option A. Only 1 is the right answer. Next 91. With reference to Chaushat Yogini temple situated near Marina, consider the following statement which is right. So it is a circular temple built during the reign of Kacha Pakhatha dynasty. Its design has given rise to a popular belief that it was the inspiration behind the Indian Parliament building. So option 1 and 4 is the right answer. Next 92. Which one of the following ancient town is well known for its elaborate system of water harvesting and management by building a series of dams and channelling water into connected reservoirs? So Dholavira. Option A is the right answer. Next 93. In the first quarter of 17th century, in which of the following factory of the English East India Company located? So option A, Broch only is the right answer. Next, from the decline of Guptas until the rise of Harshavardhana in the early 17th century, which of the following kingdoms were holding power in northern India? The Guptas of Magadha, Pushyabhutis of Thanej, Yadavas of Devagiri, Moitrakas of Vallavi. So option 1, 3, 5 and 6 is the right answer. Next, 95. According to Portuguese writer Nunes, the women in Vijayanagara Empire were expert in which of the following areas? To have wrestling, accounting and soothsaying. Option 1, 3 and 4 is the right answer. Next question, 96. With reference to Madanapalli of Andhra Pradesh, which one of the following statement is correct? Rabindranath Tagore translate the national anthem from Bengali to English here. Option C is the right answer. Next, 97. Consider the following pairs: historical place and well known for. So Chanhudar হচ্ছে টেরাকোটা আর্ট, গণেশপুর হচ্ছে কপার artifact, but Burjaham rock cut shrine, this is not correct. So option D is the right answer. 2 and 3 is the right answer. Next question, 98. Consider the following statement. Which of the following statement are above correct? So it was during the reign of Iltutmish that Genghis Khan reached the Indus in pursuit of the fugitive Kharizm princess. Option A is the right answer. Next question, 99. Consider the following statement. Which are following given above are correct? Saint Francis Xavier was one of the founding member of the Jesuit order. The feast of Saint Francis Xavier is celebrated in Goa each every 1 and 3. So option C is the right answer. Next and last question. With reference to the history of ancient India, which of the following statement are correct? So in the Mithosara system, the sons claim right to the property during the lifetime of the father, whereas in the Dayabhaga system, it is only after the death of the father that the sons can claim right to the property. Option 2 is the right answer. Guys, this is your UPSC prelims 2021's CAC 100 question papers. If you like, then subscribe my channel.